In this video, I will show you how to download simple task software in Windows 11. If you want to download it without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you have to open Microsoft Store. In search bar, search Microsoft Store. Then press enter. Here our Microsoft Store will be open. Then you have to search simple task. In search bar. Then press enter. When you press enter, after searching simple task at the top, here you will find simple task management. Click this link. If you click unfortunately, simple task management is not free software. It means if you want to download it and install it, first you have to purchase simple task management. Then you can download and use it. If you want to purchase, here you have to click this link. As I click. When you click, you have to follow some step, then you can buy software. Then you can download it and